Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-40T-DN-BCD-NEMA, and I'm just demonstrating different layout of the display, the BCD switches up top, and then the input, three input terminations inside on your interface board, your opto board is what we call it. And then I also have another terminal block down inside for relay closure. This specific customer wanted a relay closure during the whole countdown time. I've got it set for 10 minutes. You can set it for up to 99 minutes, 59 seconds. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how this is a newer enclosure that we're using, and you just pop these two latches and then open it, and then obviously you can get into it now and make your connections. Start, stop, and reset the last value, and pause, reset, pause. Here's your BCD switches, minutes and then seconds. Right now I've got it set for 10 minutes. And then terminations for your relay, and then we have our power supply in here. Also, we have a 9-foot cord. It's a waterproof cord meant for outdoor use, high moisture oil resistant cord. But simply just to set your time, I'll put it on 2 there. Since I don't have a switch connected to it to reset it, I'll just go ahead and power it off. I won't run it walking. I'll power it off and show you also that when you power it up, you're going to get whatever you set it for. But normally you would have your PLC or switch or relay or PNP input here to refresh or reset or refresh your display. So I'm just going to go ahead, and this has a rubber gasket to keep water out. Ingress of water or moisture. It also has a place where you can lock it if you want, but that gives you an idea of it's a NEMA 4X enclosure. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and it's the DC-40T-DN-BCD-NEMA. Thank you.